If the WordPress customizer preview is not working, it can be caused by several factors. Here's a guide on how to fix the issue. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, outdated browser data can interfere with the customizer. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then reload the customizer to see if the preview works. Deactivate plugins. A plugin conflict can cause the customizer to malfunction. Deactivate all plugins and check if the preview starts working. If it does, reactivate plugins one by one to identify the problematic one. Switch to a default theme. The issue may be related to your theme. Switch to a default WordPress theme and check if the customizer works. If it does, the issue is likely with your theme. Increase PHP memory limit. Low PHP memory can cause issues with the customizer. Add this line to your wp-config.php file. Check for JavaScript errors. JavaScript errors can block the customizer preview. Open the browser's developer tools and look for any JavaScript errors. Fixing these issues can resolve the problem. Update WordPress and themes. Ensure WordPress, your theme, and plugins are up to date. Outdated versions may be incompatible with newer WordPress features.